Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Ori Goshen. He is the co-founder and co-CEO at AI21 Labs. Ori, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
So Ori, let's start by talking about the company. Tell me about AI21 Labs and the solutions you offer your customers.
So AI21 is a generative AI company. We build and train large language models and AI systems designed for the enterprise. What we do differently is we train these general purpose large language models, but we specialize them towards specific tasks and industries. So for example, we have a model that's really great at summarizing financial reports, like SEC filings. Or we have another model that's really great at producing product descriptions in retail. And for another example is a model that specializes in answering questions on insurance policies. So we believe there is no one model, one large language model to rule them all. The future is actually going to be small and specialized models that are going to excel at particular tasks. We call them task-specific models. And the enterprises today, they think about the total cost of ownership and the return on investment of these models. Like what's going to be the actual value produced by these models? So we are working very closely with our enterprise customers and partners to make sure that these models can be deployed at scale and in an economical way.
Ori, there are other LLM developers in this space. So tell me, how are you different from those that are in this area?
Right, so we train our own large language models, but we distill them into smaller versions that are specialized in particular tasks and industries. So we have these task-specific models that are really good at solving particular tasks. The way they work, they're really optimized for reliability. So in order to address hallucinations and reasoning mistakes, these models are special purpose and really help reducing those phenomena.
So Ori, congratulations are in order. You have a fundraise, a Series C fundraise of $208 million. So tell me, what are the growth opportunities for your business as you look to the years ahead?
Yeah, so we are keep innovating in this space, and we'll keep releasing new and exciting models. Actually, one is coming really, really soon. We are extremely focused on the enterprise. And when I mean focused on the enterprise, I mean going from experimentation to production. So while almost every company in the world now experimenting with this technology, the whole company mission is now to put it into production. And when you talk with typical CIOs or CTOs, they start caring about the total cost of ownership. What is the return on investment? What are the right use cases that can employ this type of technology? And we are going to help these enterprise customers deploy these models at scale.
All right, and finally, Ori, tell me, what does the future of AI look through your lens? What does it look like?
So first of all, this Gen AI market is gigantic. The TAM is huge. It's going to impact almost every industry we know and every company in the world. I believe that these systems are going to become more and more autonomous and capable in the near future. So right now, if you think about the tools that we have, they're pretty transactional. We are asking like ChatGPT or another model for a question and it gives us an answer. But what if we can employ these AI systems to a longer term kind of thinking, a process, right? We can give them a high level mission statement, do a research around X, Y, Z, and then have the system to prepare a plan where it can execute it and give us our full research around a certain topic. So I think these systems will become much more autonomous and capable, provide much more value to the type of transactional relationship we have with them today. It's kind of going from co-pilot to autopilot, if you will.
All right. Well, Ori, it's always wonderful to speak with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.